Check, 7 check, none the bunks, you don't know. L.A. Lodge, chosen one dancer, Sugar Daddy, and we there talk about the Lord, the couple of songs them again, we talk about late. Why call late? Because the song them I call long time. One time I repeat myself, Virgin. But you don't know, go check out L.A. Lodge closing. You see me say King Nation closing upon IamLALodge.com. You see me say Matty. Now the next time we're going, as I tell you, the first song we have Call Me. We have Light Up. We have Clean Heart. We have Evil People. Then we're going to Styling. You see me say Call Me, Evil People. Excuse me, Light Up, Pure Heart, Styling. So I say, alright. What else? What else? I say, I'm going to deal with the girl again, because I never give them a song where them can really gyrate to. You see me I say? Anyway, big my artist again. Staying up with bursts. You see me I say? Mr. J give my rhythm now. You see me I say? Mr. J do some work. Say some man make a rhythm. For me, I have put out a kind of international kind of sound song, dance kind of sound song. You see me I say? But he end up working on a project. But anyway, my artist them already, my artist did upon it, staying up with bursts. You see me I say that song name delete one big song. So him say, yo, LA again. Give me something on the rhythm, no, man. Because I'm not to push up myself still, you know. He must say, yo, dog, give me something on the rhythm, man. Even the rhythm gone already, give me something. So I say, alright then. Rhythm name Bed Spring. I hear the rhythm, I say, alright. I short just say, yo, so I sang name on it, Bed Spring already. He say, alright. So I say, alright, I'm going to do something different then. So I say, yo, King Nation for the girl them. Because for the girl them, representing for the girl them to the fullest. So I say, I go there walk out in and they make up for me. Now you can tell it and you're wrong like a nipple. No man never fuck you one time. Got me sound underneath you a goal. You know see how it ugly sir. Sit up and make a kid you jiggle up your body. You need to miss a day for me that alone can make me happy. Me have a bag of girl but to say you. Me am married cause a bag of man no fuck your pussy no dip on your forehead. Yeah man. Say brother, remember me tell you. I say something I'm gonna test that song there brother. He say I'm gonna test that song there dog. Bumbo clot. Do you must sit up and jiggle up your body. Sit up and make a kid you jiggle up your body. You know. It's that deep voice there, brother. The girl them gone. Gone. So you don't know, ladies, go check out that. I want to say, I'm going to run a competition with that song there now. Yeah, man, if it's even a grand or 5 years, something, give her for that song there. Yeah, man, because I want to see the girl them dance too. You understand what I'm saying? I was inspired by the ladies to do this song for the ladies. So I want to see them gyrate themselves. You understand? Yeah, man, so you don't know, L.A. Lodge King Nation, all this one never alone. Go check out the project, it called Late. Why call Late? Because the song them record long time. So go check it up on all major streaming platforms. You see me, I say? And go check out everything you want to know about me at IamLALodge.com. Instagram, IamLALodge. All of them fandangos there. You don't know, L.A. Lodge, mad. Watch and look, you know, L.A. Lodge attack and watch the scene. Where we there talk about? The project. What the project name? Late. Why name Late? Because the song them done, record already and done it on the road. And that's why we decided to take a break from the music for organize the business structure so we can get to the business and do the dough. You understand? Yes, so that's the thing named Late. So now we're there now on. We talk about the first song which is Call Me, the second song which is Light Up, the third song which is Pure Heart. Pure. You understand what I said? So now we go to the fourth song. The fourth song called Evil People. Matting. So here we now. So I get a rhythm from 3M Music. Yeah, I think I said the name, so producer the name, yeah. I get a rhythm from them. I never get a rhythm either. I get a rhythm from Stain Rapid Burst, one of my artists them we signed to the label. We signed for Gallage. You see me I say? I'm thinking I get a rhythm from them and I say, yo, cause in my ear pop friend, I don't know the artist say, click my finger girl and go roll with me. So I get a rhythm from them now and I say, yo, LA, when you shot some on this thing, I say, eh? And I'm say some woman over song, I say, from them this gunshot sing sweet like the sun and a scary in a head like that pump. Become 9x19, I defend the turf like me some of them time and the Chinese cane and elephant. You see me? So I say some buckler. When me have heard the song I know, I don't know how to shoot them up, I'm gonna shoot them up already. So the rhythm start with a laugh. Like a haunted laugh, you see what I say? I'm say, alright. I'm gonna just drop out and I say, yo, what she always tell me? You see me, I say to myself, say, what she always tell me, what she always say, oh lodge, this is how I need for do, this is how you need for pray. You see me, I say, my t-shirt, but no bomb buck, lad. You see me, I say, she say, yo lodge, where? I say, where my granny always tell me, what she always pray. And I remember she always say, yo, be careful of people. I never to understand how she say, be careful of people. But over a period of time, I understand why. Basically, she tried, you know, say, yo, it's a love and grow you with youth. And everybody got reciprocate a lot of from. So watch people, guys. If you put yourself out there as the person me grow you for bit, you get chastised, you get all these things. So she say, yo, be by yourself. Some of you see some woman, you read him now, I say, alright. Oh, me got approach this now. Dance I read him again. I say, yo, in front of your face, them laugh. One on. Cause you have some little pussy. A man used to have brown money. See me I say? Them killer with, what go on my boss, what go on my general, I suck out your mother, me not boss, me not general. Because I see, people can't, me not listen what people say no more, I watch them I do. You see me I say? I watch them I do. People not perfect, they make mistake, them do them thing, but me not listen what you say. Me I watch you do. You understand me I say? Because your actions are going to speak louder than you know the steps. So I say, some man, I notice some man a general, me and I watch certain people, them bring around me, all them pray. You understand me I say? I say, yo, if the person, if me bring a dog around you and the dog rate you, that means that the dog feed off the energy of me off you, so I'm going to automatically give you that. If me not receive, if me not get the energy from a nigga you bring around me, that automatically tell me, say, there's something right with the vibration or you talk about me or what the message you portray with me. Anyway, fuck that. So at the time I go through that, I say, how am I going to deal with this now? So the thing say, so me laugh. So I say, in front of your face, them laugh. Stop it now, your back, watch them. Now care all your power every day. You don't know a man art. Not just none of them, just none of them. Me gonna tell me you pretend, them I pretend like a sniper with a rifle. She telling me keep a close eye on my friends. Even people bad mind in and out to see, so them a fight you without a reason. Got you for your lifestyle because you do what you please to when you miss it like when Jesus reason. Even people bad mind. So I say some mom find that I say, yeah man. So I say, alright, oh nigga deal with that verse. I know them telling me big and fat boop. Me I DJ the verse, I'm short a bit and I can fuck with me. I say, no, I'm have to deliver this the real and proper way. You see me I say? So I say some mom say, hey! Pussy them a hate when you levitate, them the one you create. Them want to see you in a grave, myself, me educate from them, me separate, which is me meditate. Negativity, poverty, me escape myself, me motivate, my dream, me concentrate, me dedicate, born for win. Them not gonna live for see me feel like plan a family, money you calculate and it accumulate. Boss a pussy face nation, no hesitate. You see me I say? Yeah man, I hate that man. And I say, mama, I say, mama vibration, come here and tell you. I gain weight, so I can't really deliver the thing, the real, how I really want to deliver it, because I'm out of shape and them thing there. But you don't know the true inspiration and where really I come from. At the time, it does make it real to what I want. So I find that one of the realest songs where I recorded in that period of time where everything was really current. You see what I say? So you don't know L.A. Lodge, King Nation, all is one, never alone, one of Universal Entertainment. You see what I said? You don't know, check out the project. It called Late. Why it called Late? Long time, well overdue. So go and go check out that a mad thing, L.A. Lodge 1.